Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again, General Technology Knowledge. Today we will continue our lesson about connect the data move from the Proficy Machine Edition to the HMI, or we can call Proficy HMI SCADA. Okay. So this is a previous project that we create the points and configure some button for move the data. Yes, here, and reset the data that we already learned in the previous video. And today we will continue at the function that we can create the points in the HMI that link from the array of integer. Okay, so here is the array integer for 5 integer. Yes, and output also array 5 integers, and we can also clear the data if we push this button. Okay, so let's go to our project of simplicity. So here is the existing project that we already learned in the previous video. So today we will continue more. So to create the points of array of integer, so let's go to dynamic. Yes, dynamic, it means that update, auto update, we no need to stop the project. Yes, because if example our process is production, so we cannot stop the project so long time, so we need to online for create the points or objects. Okay, so click dynamic. Yes, make sure the dynamic is clicked before we go to create the points or objects. So let's go to points. Yes, and we will create this point first for push this button and move this data to the output. Okay, so go to points, and then we can actually we can duplicate from this one. Yes, because it boolean also, or this one. You see the data type is the same, so we can right click and duplicate. Yes, and then change this one to int3. Yes, because it int3, and click OK, and then go to general. This one is number 3, right? And go to tab device, and %r, %34. Okay, for this button. Okay, and one more for input number 4. Yes, so we can duplicate more from this one, and write this one to 4. Yes, because it input number 4, and then go to tab general, and then go to change this to 4, and then here is the certified. Yeah, %certified. Okay, right now we already created the button for move the data from input to output, and also the reset button for input number 4. Then we will create the array of this button. Okay, So let's go to right click and then duplicate from the integer, right? So this one, right click and duplicate, or actually we can right click and new. Okay, this one, example int1, it means that this one. So it is the divide point and the analog, yes, and click OK, and then this one is the analog, yes. So integer, and then description, we can create integer data, integer number 1. Okay, because totally it 5 integer, right? So this one we create point for number 1. Okay, and this one should be %r, right? Start from %r2, right? So %r2. Okay, and one more for in number 2, right? And start from %r number 3 because totally 5, right? So this one number 2 and %r number 3, yes, because it's 5%r. Okay, I will explain for this one more. So this is integer number 1, right? Sorry, integer start from %r number 2. So this is a memory. I will increase a little bit to be bigger, yes. This is a memory, yes, memory array. So totally it 5, right? Yes, totally it 5. So this one start from %r, yes, %r number 2, yes. So this one should be %r number 3, right? Until number 4, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, right? So start from %r number 2 and earn %r number 6. Okay, so we need to create one by one from %r number 2 to %r number 6. Okay, so this one duplicate one more and I will go fast because it's the same function, yeah. %r number 3, sorry, %r number 4. Okay, and one more, 5, %r number 5, right? And this one number 4. Okay, and one more, the last one, integer number 6, and %r number 6 also, and this one number 5, yes. So input we already created, yes, and then we will create the output more for 5 array of integer also. Okay, so we can duplicate from this one and duplicate, we can change to out integer out1, yes, like this, yes. And this one start from %r number 7, right? so data integer output number 1. Yeah, it start from %a number 7, right? So totally it array 5 arrays also, yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it will start from %a number 7. So this one %a number 7, yes. So this one should be 8, right? And this one 9, this one 10, and this one is the last one is the %a number 11, yes. Okay, so start from %a 7. So this one %a 7, yes. And one more out 2, right? %a number 8, yes. Output number 2, %a number, sorry, %a number 9, number 3, 4, yeah, 10, %a number 10, and this one 4, and the last one, yes, 5, yes. Output integer number 5, %a number 11, and the integer output number 5. Okay, so we already created the points, so we continue to screen, yes. So right click and then edit the screen, yes, edit the screen. So I will resize this one, yes, to be easy. Okay, so first we can copy from this button, yes. So copy, just press control, yes. If we want to copy, we just press control and shift and then drag and drop the mouse from this to this, so we can copy this button. Okay, so we just change to this one. The function is the same, right? So we just change to into, yes, and okay, and this one into also, yes, because we use the same as event, right? So this one should be move array, yeah, ay mean that array, and this one copy again, and this one should be reset or st array, yes, and the function we just change this one to int3, right? Because this one is the int3. Oh, sorry, this one is the int4, yes, int4, and this one int4 also. So I go to this one, change to int3, because this button, right? Yes, int3. This video is so long, sorry, but I want to create step by step, too easy to understand, because it is the basic if we have the basic, we can do more for another function. So the basic is very important. Yes. Okay, so I can move this one to here, and then the input should be 5, right? So I can copy from this one. Yes, copy 5 more for input, right? Maybe I can zoom to be smaller than this, and I can resize, yeah, this one to be big. Yes, can choose the arrow key, yeah, up, and this one maybe I will adjust to be small, because we have totally 5 integer, right? So like this, and then I will copy. So go to text, and then go to point, right? Point, we can browse the points. Yes, integer out, right? So out1, this one, yes, and then integer, and we this one we should set point the value, right? So we tick the set point action. Yes, this one many function. I will create the new more video for this one about the simplicity. Yes, we have many function for this. Okay, so let's go first. So here already config, so I would like to copy more. Yes, so copy more. I will copy to be like this, totally 5, right? So copy to 5. Okay, copy to 5, and one we can adjust the font to be example 16. Yes, and rank to be center. Yes, and then this one go here. Yes, 5, right? So this one we click shift and then click, and then arrange. Yes, and this one we can adjust, yeah, to be good looking. Yes, okay, so this one I can copy to 5, 2, 3, 4 and 5 for input. Okay, and copy this one for output. Okay, then click control and then shift and this one. Yes, so input number 1. Yes, go to input number 1. Yes, browse the points and in number 1, right? So in number 1, in 1, right? Here integer 1, right? Let's go to check in point to be make sure. Yes, integer 1. Okay, then number 2. So start from int1. Yes, and set point action, and this one should be int2. Browse the point, yes, int2, int2, yes, set point value also, so set point action, and then this one int3, int3. Oh, it should be int3. Okay, let's go to divide the points. int2, 4, 5, 6. So this one should be 3. So duplicate again and 3. And this one should be 4, right? So I delete 4. Delete first, yeah. Okay, and then go to the image again, and then go to duplicate, yes. Number 3. So this one number 4, yes. Number 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, yes. And then last one, number 5, number 6, right? Okay. So let's go to screen again, because we already divide the points. Go to screen, and then should be integer number 3, right? Yes. And this one should be integer number 4. Okay. We also can browse the point, yes, actually. And this one integer number 5, right? Okay. So this one is the input we already config, and go to output. Yeah, output 1. No need to set point action. Yes. This one number 2, right? This one number 3. No need set point. This one number 4. Yes. And this one number 5. Okay. Then save our program. Yes, save screen. And we can remark this one should be input, right? Go to text. Yes. So this one is the input. Here is the input. And then here is the output. Yes. Okay. So test run the screen. Yes, test our screen. Yes, right now example we would like to move some number, example 4, yes. And this one should maybe 2. Any number that we want to move, okay. This one 7, this one 7, this one 9, example, or this one 10, yes. And then if we press this button, yes, it will move this data to this output. Okay, so I press, yes, you see it move data from input to the output. Okay, if we want to clear, we just press this button, yes, to clear, yes. And if we want to change another number, example 100, yes, we can also move, yes. So it's very easy to move the data from the input to output with the array integer, yes. So thank you very much for watching my video, and we will continue with the new video for the Boolean. Okay, this one just integer array. So in the next video we will create the HMI for array of Boolean. Okay, so please comment under my video if everyone have any questions, and don't forget support me by please like, share and subscribe my video to get more notification and more new video that I will create step by step. Okay, so thank you very much again, and see you next videos. Bye bye.